Hello there, welcome back to another episode. As usual, it's your boy Charlie, bringing you the best content ever. As you can see, we're still at the workshop, putting in the work, putting in all of that. But on today's episode, as you can see, look, can you see? BMW, black man walking. We've got this sweet thing right here. This yellow sweet thing right here, as you can see. So on today's episode, we're going to tell you everything about this car, from the specs, what it's here for. Then from there, we'll take it for a drive. Or maybe, let's take it for a drive, then I'll tell you everything about it. Join me as I enjoy this sweet, sweet thing. Alright, welcome back. We've already dropped off what we needed to drop off. Workshop parts. So we had to drop off a spare part for a car somewhere. Then continue with the review. So we're still in the BMW 640i. These grandmas. Alright, so for now, I'll tell you about the driving experience as I'm pushing this thing. To begin with, this thing is sweet. The way it handles the roads, it manages the damn, those girls are looking. Is it left or right? Left. We're going left, I guess. Eish. I thought the Lexus was a panty dropper, but this one, this one's a panty dropper as well. So to begin with, we're here to test. Eish, I don't feel hot because this car is hot. We're here to test the 320 horsepower this car has with 400 Newton meters of torque. So I'll try to flow it a little bit.
Straight.
I'll try to flow it a little bit. Then see, so that you can see how this thing moves.
Right.
I'm thinking. So you can hear how this thing moves. We'll start with here. I'll try to flow it a little bit. Hold on. There's a little bit of a hump here. So here we go. Damn! This thing throws you to the back of the seat when you flow it, bro. Eish. Aye, man, I love this car. That was a test of 320 horsepower with 400 Newton meters of torque. Now this car is an 8-speed automatic transmission. It uses an 8-speed automatic transmission. So that's what we're using to put down all that power. Eish, bro. This thing is fast. This thing is very, very fast. Hey. I'm still in shock, my brother. Let's do that again. But except the road won't allow us. Yeah. And this thing puts down all that power via the rear wheels. So it's rear wheel drive, and for every rear wheel drive car with this much power, you expect it to struggle with traction. So I'll flow it even here a little bit. Damn! This thing moves. See how it moves. So I'll park it here, then I can tell you now about the exterior. Tell you a little bit more about the exterior. Okay, let me just put my parking brake up. Okay, so now let's talk about the exterior. Eish, I forgot the keys inside, my bad. Okay, so now that we've done a little bit of driving, let's talk about the exterior. You can see this thing. First of all, before we get into the exterior, shout out to our official sponsors. I don't need to say the name, it's on the plate. ZK Electronic Solutions. They've got all the solutions for all your car problems. All right, let's get into business now. So this is a 2011 BMW 640i. As you can see, 2011. So now, this car is yellow and it came into the workshop for a PPF. For those who don't know what a PPF is, it's a paint protection film. So the owner of this car just wants to protect this paint. So he brought it to ZK Electronic Solutions because we have all the solutions for all your car problems. So now we're going to put a PPF on this car and he doesn't have to worry about this car scratching or having any airlines or any paint loss or anything. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So yeah, this car is 2011 and it has an N55 B30 engine which produces 320 horsepower with 400 newton meters of torque. Now, all that power is put down via 8-speed automatic transmission. It also has a manual, but that's optional and it's not available for all markets. I'm not sure about Zambia or Africa. All I know is that manual option is not available for all markets. So now, if you look at this car, you can see that it's got these BMW headlamps. As you can see, they're right here. Yeah, these nice BMW headlights. It's also got daytime running lights. Then if you move with me to this side, let's move this side. But then we have a lot of cars, but okay, it's fine. You get these 19-inch BMW wheels. Look at how mean and aggressive they look, and they are hot from all that driving. You know, I was enjoying this thing. I was trying to put down all that power. Yeah, you get these side mirrors. They're written M Performance. I don't know if the car came like this or this is something that was put on here. So now this car, it's got keyless entry. As long as I have the key in my hand and wherever it's parked, I can and the door open. All right, and the window does that. And it's a 2-door, as you all can see, but it's a 4-seater. I don't know how comfortable it is in the back because I've been driving the whole entire time. Maybe my boy, the roadman here, can testify to how comfortable it is back there, because from the look on his face, it's not that comfortable, but it's a 4-seater though. Then you also get this 19-inch in the back, as you can see. They're also by BMW. Then when we come to the back, yeah, so this is what you get in the back. You get these brake lights. You also get one here, then you get these two exhausts, which are still very hot from all the pops and bangs. Now, to open the hood here, to open the trunk, all you have to do is push this. You push it in. So when I push it in like this opens. It's a bit heavy. Yeah. So this is not only a button to open the trunk, but when I start the car, when the car starts, this automatically pushes itself inside, because there's a camera here that helps you to reverse, which you will see on your iScreen infotainment system, which we spoke about. Yeah. So when I push this is the amount of cargo space you get. This being a small car, I feel like this is a lot of cargo space for such a car. So now we have air filters in here. Don't mind them. We've got an exhaust, but don't mind this. So yeah, you get pretty ample cargo space in here. I don't think if you bought this car, you would take this for shopping or for heavy duty shopping. What man? This car is something you get in when you're upset or something. You need to relax. You need to find some peace of mind. This is the type of car you jump in, roll the windows up or roll them down, let the wind fly, listen to that beautiful listen to that beautiful run, ta 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 ta, pa 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 pa. When you do that, I'm sure if I revved it here, all these, you see the houses around here, if I rev it, all of them will come out and making noise. Yeah. But yeah, this is the car you get in. if you want to release some stress. It sounds pretty good when you're driving it. You'll be able to hear from the videos. But yeah, this is the amount of cargo space you get. And if you put down those seats, the back seats, if you push them, you get even more space. So those seats at the far end, you can push them and you can get even more space. So yeah, otherwise this is a beautiful car. Let's go to the front again. Damn, look at it. Look. So all right, that's just one of our people saying hi. All right, so with this car, this engine that you're seeing here is BMW's N55 B30 engine. So this one is an inline 6. It's not a V8, it's not a what, it's an inline 6. And it's a twin turbo, as you have seen. But this thing is hot because I was moving. When I say moving, I mean moving. I was pushing this thing to its max limit. Maybe I'll put in a little bit of clips of me rolling down the road so you can, see how I was pushing this thing. Otherwise, this is a sweet machine. And yeah, I think that's basically it. We can talk about the exterior. So let's close it and allow me to go on the road to have some more fun while you stay there and watch me fly by this road. You know what I'm saying? Stay right there. Let me go drive. Alright, it was nice having you on the episode. Join us for the next one. Make sure to follow ZK Electronic Solutions and make sure to follow your boy Charlie, and make sure to go to Charlie Fleets, follow, like, share. Otherwise, it was a pleasure. Now enjoy the sound of this.